What I'm about to show you would normally cost thousands of dollars if it were inside some guru course. However, on my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you for free the exact strategies used by affiliate marketers to make over $10,000 a month. So stick around. Okay, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Don Bavaro from the Datapreneur YouTube channel, and on this channel we talk about affiliate marketing, side hustles, and generally just increasing your income using the power of the internet. So if that's something you're interested in, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning the bell on so that you don't miss a video from us. So let's talk about how to build a full affiliate funnel from scratch, just like the pros. The funnel you're about to see is the exact same funnel used by affiliates who are making 6 and 7 figures a year online. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here is the complete picture of what we're going to be building today. This is the end result. We're going to have organic content that we create. We've got paid ads that we buy. They all lead towards a lead capture page. People who opt in at the lead capture page get put on an automated email sequence right before they get forwarded over to the affiliate offer. And then the people that don't opt in get pixeled into a retargeting ad sequence, which will then put them back toward the affiliate offer. I'm going to show you how to get here. So if you're overwhelmed, don't worry. Before we get into that, I want you to remember one thing. I'm going to use a metaphor through this entire video. I want you to remember. We're going to talk about water representing your leads, and the amount of water that you can actually collect will equal commissions that you made. So here's where most marketers make their biggest mistake. They create a funnel that kind of looks like this. They get online, they create content, they grab their affiliate link from their affiliate offer, and they put it directly on their Facebook profile. You know, they might create Facebook posts, Instagram posts, YouTubes, TikToks, whatever. They put content out there on the internet and they forward people directly to the affiliate offer. Now this, you might catch a sale here or there, but for the most part, it's kind of like putting a basketball hoop out in the rain. While the net might get wet from being out in the rain long enough, most of the rain is just going to fall right through. I mean, there's no way to follow up. There's no way to capture anybody's information, and it's kind of a mess. Instead, the new marketer will build a funnel that looks like this. This is probably the most basic affiliate funnel that you can actually come up with. Person out there creates their organic content. They actually go through a lead capture page. This is where you squeeze somebody's email address out of them before forwarding them on over to the affiliate offer. However, most newbies don't follow up, and you get a bucket that kind of looks like this. All the rain will fall into the bucket, but because you're not following up, all the water leaks out through a bunch of holes. All right, a lot of new affiliates know that they need to capture leads, but they're not really sure how to do that, so they just kind of build up a list that sits dormant forever. To build your lead capture page, it's going to require you to purchase a domain name and get some funnel software so that you can actually build this page. I'll make a video on that and I'll put it right above my head when it goes up. But now that we have the basic idea, let's add one step further and we'll start plugging those holes in the bucket so we can keep more of the rain that we collect. And we take our normal affiliate funnel, but instead we create an automated email sequence. The people who we capture up here go into our email autoresponder, and then they will get put on an email sequence where each email directs people back to the affiliate offer. This will also follow up with the people who opted in, and it'll grab some second chance buyers. So not only are the people who go across here going to buy, but you're going to catch some people who don't opt in the first time. You'll turn them into buyers as well, again, making some more money. To get to this step and build here, you're going to need an email autoresponder. And again, when I put something up, I'll put a video above my head on how to write an effective email follow-up sequence. Once you get this setup figured out, you'll be making a couple $1,000s a month online. This might take you a few weeks, maybe a few months to get here, but once you do and you get things here up and running, here's another mistake that a lot of newer marketers make. They start to add a hose to the bucket before they've plugged all the holes that they can. Now the hose in this case represents paid ads. Think about it this way: you don't pay for the rain that falls out of the sky, but you pay the water bill when you try to fill a bucket with a hose. Some people are getting captured and followed up with, which is great, but what about the people who don't opt in? There's a way to capture them, and that's through retargeting. What a retargeting campaign does is it takes what's called a pixel on your lead capture page. It's a little piece of tracking code that kind of follows your customers around the internet and makes sure that they see your ads again, even if they didn't opt in. You've likely seen this if you've been on Amazon's website and then you were on Facebook an hour later and you saw a bunch of Amazon ads. What Amazon was doing is they were pixeling you so that when you bounce off their site, you hopefully will come back and buy something. We're gonna do the same thing with our affiliate offers. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a retargeting ad sequence that has a bunch of different angles. So let's say that we were making a make money online offer. Our first content might be all about financial freedom and building wealth over time. That might not resonate to somebody. So what we'll do then is we'll take a retargeting ad and take the, you'll have more time with family. We'll take that angle. Maybe that'll resonate with them and that might get them to purchase our course or our offer or whatever that is. Or it might just be control over your life. You want to kind of pick different interests and different angles to sell your product, and that's where all your retargeting ads are. They all lead to separate landing pages, which also bridge people back over towards your affiliate offer. To do all this, it's going to require a website pixel, which once I get another video up, I'll put one above my head where I can show you how to set that up. And retargeting ads typically cost about $5 a day. We do these first, not only because they're cheaper, retargeting ads are infinitely cheaper than cold traffic ads, but also because, again, we're trying to plug all the holes and capture as much rain as we can before we come in and we add a hose to the bucket. However, once we get that figured out, it's time to add the hose and start putting paid traffic into the mix. Now, this is where you're truly going to be able to scale because you're capturing as many leads as possible, and now you just want to have more people hitting your initial page. To get to this point, you're going to need regular testing, because you need to create a couple of ads, again, different angles, see what works best with your audience, and kind of make more of the ones that do well. This takes a while. You're not going to put one ad and all of a sudden it's going to be a winner. You're probably going to have a couple ads that flop. So figure it out, try a couple different ideas, and make more of the ones that work. And then ads, you can start with something that's about $10 or so a day. The more money that you're willing to invest up front means the faster you're going to learn, and the faster you can learn, the faster you're going to scale and start to make the big money. However, if you can get this model figured out, there's a good chance you'll be making $20,000 a month or more, because this is what all of the big affiliates do. So there it is in a nutshell. There's the winning formula, kind of a 30,000 foot overview, step by step. I'll put videos that go into more detail as I put them up. And if you have any questions about anything, drop me a comment and I'll do my best to answer them. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube will show you more of my videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on so you'll get notified as soon as new videos get released every week. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and share this with one friend. And if you want step-by-step instruction over 15 days, check out my link in the description for the Online Business Builder Challenge.